We are often faced with the scenario where we have to compare one set of numbers against the other. If the objective is to compare two things, then the best way is to put them next to each other. Clustered column chart in Excel do a good job of that. But we can take our visualization to next level by making few simple modifications to the cluster column chart. Let's see how to create a visualization comparing two sets of numbers. This is the data that shows the quarterly sales target as well as the actual sales numbers for different product categories. We can create these visualizations in few simple steps. First is to create a cluster column chart and then adjust the appearance of individual bars. So this is how we insert the cluster column chart, and after that we select this data series corresponding to the target. This bar will be the outer bar and we have to ensure that this is on the primary axis. You have to adjust the gap width to around 130%. We can change the appearance of the bar by selecting any color. A lighter color would be a better choice. And then we can give a 3D touch to this bar. After this, we can select the bar corresponding to the achieved or the actual sales. This data series has to be on the secondary axis. We will adjust the gap width to over 400%. And we can change the color. We can give a 3D touch if we want. Next, we will remove this axis. We can add the data labels. If we want to show the percentage, we will add a column and compute the percentage. And then we will select these values from the cells to be displayed in the data label. We can remove these values if we want. And here we have our target versus achievement comparison chart is ready. So we see it's the extra that changes ordinary to extraordinary. See you next time.